How to turn on confidential mode in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you want the email that you send in your Gmail to be very confidential. You don't want people to forward it to others. You don't want anything else like them printing it out and all. Then you can easily toggle on the confidential mode. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Gmail account. Now go to Compose in the left hand side. Now, let's say you want this particular email to be confidential, then you need to go to the lock icon that says toggle confidential mode. Click on it and once you toggle on confidential mode, recipients once have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. So you can set expiration like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month according to your choice. And then you can even require passcode. So you can choose passcode and then you can hit save. So that is how you turn on confidential mode in your Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.